Well, I figured I'll make a video now that I've owned this nut for a year. I haven't done an update in a while. But year overview, I guess I'll do. So when I bought this, it had set for, I have no idea how long. I'm going to guess 30 years, 20 years. The floor pans were out and everything else. Well, in a year time, actually today of filming this, I've got 4 new tires, a new windshield, got the heater working. Finally tracked down seat cushions. It's literally taken me almost a year to find seat cushions. Which I know they don't match because they're out of different lots, but unattaining them, you just kind of deal with what you can get. But got all that. All my gauges work, all battery work, turn signals work, even got wiper motors working. This is an original. That's a new old stock. I ain't found heater controls, which is still not that big a deal. This got a brand new data plate, got the floor put in. I gotta sandblast tires before it gets cold. Got the trailer socket, and I have it working. My trailer's got some wiring issues, but I got a trailer. Got a original fire extinguisher. Actually 1963, same year as Jeep. But a friend got me that. Got a rifle rack come across. I got another one coming actually. Stick your M16 in and put it in. But as of today, I've put about 1,600 miles on it. Not bad, especially since it was down for a good chunk of summer with the distributor problem I finally figured out. I had ignition failure. Which motor's not quite as nice, but have a new carb and everything, and runs pretty good. So my goal for this year is I'm going to go back and fix some stuff I just let go. I'm going to go ahead and put shackles on it this year. I got them actually coming right now. I got some body work I'm going to go back and touch up. I'm actually going to go ahead and put the rest of the markings on it. I haven't did that. I have located, or I think I've located a toolbox lid, so I'll actually have a new toolbox lid instead of this rotted out poor thing. Another goal for this year is I'm going to try to put a radio on, because this was a radio Jeep, and I'm going to sandblast tires. I just haven't did it yet. One of them is. I'm going to put a radio on, and I think I'm going to go ahead and put a machine gun mount in it. I got part of it here. Got to do some work too, and I got the base done. It's actually not. It'll sit right there, but I try to finish building it. Which I'll have to get it a M60 or something when I do that. But I'm gonna put another rifle rack on the right-hand side. The big thing is I want a radio in it, like this one. That's actually what these holes are for, because this was actually a radio Jeep. And I narrowed it down to about 3 radios. And surprisingly, the original bracket is still in usable shape. I gotta do some more work. It's still attached to the body panel I cut it off of. But it runs, drives, and I think next year I might take it to the car show that's further away. Ones I don't want to drive the poor old G503. I love that thing to death, but much past about 20 miles, I'm good. This thing, I'll drive it wherever. But yeah, I haven't made a video in a while. I at least post an update, and I'll try to link some photos when I ever get time to edit this of it before. But she's pretty solid, and I actually have a trailer, and everything actually works.